Yo, what's going on? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to Cryptechology. My name is Simon, and man, I'm sorry I just knocked over a whole bunch of stuff. My bad. Uh, uh, I've been doing this night shift stuff lately, and I just woke up mad tired. But I'm not tired. I don't know why I say I'm tired. I'm just waking up. You know what I mean? Just still waking up and stuff like that. So yeah. So I just want to kind of give y'all an update on what's been going on. So a while back, I don't know if y'all remember. I had let let y'all know about the ribbon twist. Okay. And so anyone that was paying attention to these charts and figuring out whatever indicator that they like in the market, whatever the indicator they like to track, really master it and becomes good at it, understand it in and out, and then make your trading plans based on off of it. Make your strategies based off of it. And then, you can add more indicators, but I wouldn't advise doing that. But I do recommend at least finding one indicator that you like the most and really take your time to understand it. One of the other indicators that I do follow a lot is the volume profile. The volume profile really helps me understand, a lot of channels, a lot of these levels, and what prices people are comfortable at. As you can see, like right now, so here we're at Bitcoin, that 18,114. It's making recent local new highs. All right, but we have some resistance here, so all right, approaching, so you may say, how far can this really go? Okay, what can we do? So that's where I really like the volume profile, because right now, we're in this range, using the 3 hour. Okay, the top of this range right now is showing me 18,321. All right, we have some areas of support previously around those levels. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, basically, we've just entered this new channel. All right, this is giving me roughly, let's see, we have roughly 300,000 of volume at this level, which is not that much. Okay, you can see here, this level, this new channel, this new level begins at 18,331. Where was it? 40. Let's say 340. Okay. I mean, you can say 331. Yeah. Okay. And then and then on top of this one is around, let's see, what's that? 18,717. Okay. But this is a total of 739,000 of volume. Now, what does that mean? Well, you don't know exactly what's what, but you do know that there's at least 700,000 or so traders or transactions happening between these price levels. Okay, so if I were to continue to break out, all right, what would I would like to see? Well, for one, I really would like to see, let's just take this out for right now. I really would like to see an increase in volume as well. Okay, so the volume is not really increasing, but it's steady, which is still a good sign. I don't want to say good. It's not right. It's not really about good or bad. Let's not do that. It's not about good or bad. But right now, the data is just showing us, okay, that volume has really been steady at these levels right here. Okay. So you can see what happens when we have certain spikes in volumes and increase in You know, when we have increase in volume, that's what that looks like a little bit. You know, but we still have, you know, a basis of I mean, I guess you can say on the absolute low here, okay, on the low here, if I were to zoom in on the volume, you can kind of say that, you know, our low is increasing essentially. Um, you know, the low back here in November 19th, you know, let's go to the daily because this 3 hours is a poor way. It's a poor indicator. I'm sorry. So, well, all right. So on the daily, it looks like volume really started to increase back in June. All right, that was the beginning of it, and then August. All right, so then we got a new level here in July, and it's kind of been steady at that July. We peaked here in September, October. All right, it decreased a little bit. All right, we were peaking here November, a lot of volume here in November, November 8th, November 9th, all right, and the 10th. Okay, you can see that associated with the chart. Okay, all right, you can see that, and then really it's just been, you know, back to you know, regular, almost, you can kind of say, back to those normal volumes. um yeah, you know, yeah, it's really been consistent at those levels. So, you know, there's transactions happening here, but to break out to this new level here, where was it, 18,000, because we are, where are we, we're right here, so 18,700, whatever. That was on the 3 hour, so it changes when it's on the daily. um yeah, it changes on the daily, but roughly 300,000. All right, well, no, I went back too far. This is up until, or this is I don't want to get all the way in July. Let's just try to keep it. All right, from since September. Okay, let's keep it since September or so. All right, since like September 1st. Okay, these have been the associated volume levels, and right now with the price, where it's at right now, okay, we have the lowest the lowest volume uh, at this level from anywhere else currently. So it's not going to stay here that long, in my opinion. All right, unless we build up, you know. So if anything, if we have a pullback, not if, when, you know, when we pull back a little bit, okay. So we may, you know, we're gonna come back and really just kind of figure out how strong this, you know, 17,200 is again. All right, and then, you know, or we can continue to shoot up and really test this new level right here, this 19,000. We can test out that 19,000, but we're really going to need a lot of volume for that, though. That's not going to, you know, we can go there, but if we don't have at least 3-4 million in volume approaching that, you know, we're going to get rejected quite easily. We're going to get rejected from that. All right. But it could be a trade, could be a nice trade for anyone that's wants to play that daily swings, long-term swings. You know, I use the 3 hour for when I'm looking at the ribbon, okay. And when we had our indicator on, let's hide the profile here, put the ribbon back up. So when we had, after after that, a real big flush here, okay, and everyone was like, "Oh my God, this is going to 10." There's a lot of fear right here as well. Everyone was really, really nervous, despair, all of it, right? So, but the thing about it is, all of that became an opportunity for some. And, if you were, you know, really just doing your thing, you're talking about to the current levels, to, let's just, not even the peak right now, that's a solid in 3 weeks, okay? 13%, 14%, 15%, okay? In 3 weeks trade. You could have done that. But I really like to look for something. So I couldn't look at this and say, hey, the probability of this bouncing and a 15% trade coming up is likely. There was really nothing here that was showing me besides just experience of looking and reviewing chart patterns, okay? So as you can see, this V happens often in charts, and just trade in all charts. All right, we see this, the massive dip buy. But we were looking for something, our indicator to help us, just kind of tighten up that strategy, that plan, and you feel a little bit more secure. So when this was coming down, and when we came back up, we started getting some consolidation here. It was really tightening. Okay, we were having lower highs. Okay, but we also had a higher low at the same time. What the WTF? Oh, I forgot this was. Oh, sorry, y'all. So, shit. Where'd my other thing go? Okay, here we go. All right, so, and while we were going through this right here on the 3 hour, okay, so we're talking about, I'm like, all right, something's got to happen. It needs to make a decision. It's tightening. We have this higher low, okay, and we also have this lower highs, which is, it's really just saying, hey, what direction are we gonna go in? And when it tightened up here in these last few hours, and people were like somewhat bullish, it flushed on them, and this was another opportunity. It flushed, but it didn't break down past these previous levels, okay? But it did test a previous resistance, all right? Use that, and ultimately we bounced off that right now, and we still have now higher lows, 3 key higher lows currently at this moment on the long term of things, since November 21st till now. All right, we have these higher lows after a small flush here again. All right, and retest those previous resistance levels. Okay, same here, pulled back, retest those previous levels. So we had a lot of consolidation right here. Okay, we had a lot of consolidation right here. And if we pull up the volume chart to go with it, you'll see, like, look, you see what I'm saying? This is the second highest level. A lot. So when we pulled back, when we're over here, all right, so we're competing, and for this new level to become like for a new level to become the new level, surpass the previous, right? Before another leg up can happen, okay? Before another leg up can happen, like this, a leg up. Before that can happen, all right? Same thing that was over here. Before any of these leg ups can happen, we need some solid support. So here we had solid support, decent amount of volume, all right? Consolidation transactions at this level, All right, we pulled back, but you can see, look, like it's just low volume though. It wasn't enough to be like, oh, there's, all of this needs to look like this, okay? This needs to look like that, all right, for that to be continuing to go down, okay? But it's not. You can see here, it really started to thin out, all right? It really started to thin out. People are like, whoa, timeout. I'm not selling at these levels. And some people were just like, I'm not really even buying at these levels. There's like really nothing going on. I mean, there was small amount of volume, but compared to something like this, like it was just like, yo, no, it wasn't happening. Okay, so now we see the ribbon twist. Okay, so we had a twist here, all right, and I was waiting for the twist again. So we twisted here, all right. The initial new twist. The reason why this twist wasn't my move, all right, because it was coiled up right here. Versus this twist, this was after a top twist. So let me show you something. Let's go back. Let's go back and look at a previous time frame. And we're not even gonna go that far, okay? Let's just go to, here we go. Let's go right here. All right, let's see if I can get this to show up. All right, so here we go. So right before, dang it, I'm sorry guys, I gotta get the chart right so y'all can see it. Okay, so here we go. We had the flush, okay? It's on the bottom. We had the first twist here, okay? It's on the top. This twist, it's not a full twist. I mean, it's a twist, but it's tight, okay? It's tight. So it wasn't, to me, it's just like, all right, this is cool. This is consolidation twist. I'm liking it. All right, but ultimately, it's more the red line that I'm looking at is on the bottom more. Okay. And it's really it's on the bottom. It's on the bottom. It's on the bottom. All right, and then we get the twist. All right, this is the twist I'm looking for. The twist with the space, and then boom. The move. And then so you may say, oh well, what about the top? Well, the twist. Boom. Twist. Twist. The twist. Okay? The twist. Twist. Consolidation. Tightens. Oh shit. Twist. Tighten. Space. Fall. See? See? The twist. Alright? But these twists, they're all tight. It's all tight. It's all tight. Okay? It's all tight. It's all tight. Ain't nothing. It's all tight. It's all tight. It's all tight. You remember, we already got our twist. We already got our twist indicator all the way up here. Alright? We got it over here. Okay? So it's still in play from here. Alright? Nothing is happening that's telling me to make another, you could have made this short-term move, okay, if you wanted to. Something like this. Okay, it's 20%. Hey, why not? That's a nice move. Okay? Off the twist. 24% off the twist at the highest levels. You're not going to get all of it, all right? But hey, if you get 15, okay, boom, you got that. All right, got this other one. Another 15 could have been in here. All right, let's actually make it 15. All right, 15 could have made that here. Okay, so that's the twist. Don't say I never gave y'all anything. All right, so for that game, How about you go head on over to the channel. Oh shit, did I post a new video? My bad. Head on over to Cryptechology. Make sure you guys are subscribing. Help me get these numbers up. And don't forget, when you get to the page, click on the SafePal crypto wallet link. Head on over to SafePal. Why? Because SafePal is offering the best hardware wallet right now. You get free shipping for any 2 or more products. I mean, that's tight. And the cool thing about it is a lot of this, you know, if you buy 2, we get global free shipping. It doesn't come with the leather case, but if you want the leather case, you know, they have that version, the standard package. We have the hardcore bundle with the cipher, and then the expert's choice, the cipher, the leather case, and the S1. It's a new look, so why not be a part of the new look? See, during this brand transition, products with old and new packages will be shipped randomly. The products and accessories in both packages are definitely the same, so don't think about, you know, oh, I want the old versus the new, but the new packaging does look pretty sick. All right, and here's what a lot of people are saying about SafePal, and I want you guys to know about it. So check this video out real quick.
SafePal,
first hardware wallet to be backed by Binance.
First of all, it's incredibly light.
and you are good to go anywhere at any time.
A full-color, high-resolution screen.
The security of this wallet is probably one of the highest I've ever seen.
Your keys are safe on the device. Because there's no Bluetooth, there's no Wi-Fi, there's no NFC, there's no connection really happening.
100% offline.
Basically, it's tamper-proof.
The safest way to store cryptocurrencies.
It's super easy to use and cost effective.
Much better than the old sort of Tracer and the Nano Ledger.
Is really amazing.
$39 is pretty incredible.
Fantastic.
Absolute game changer.
SafePal.
SafePal.
What are y'all waiting for? Come on, y'all. Get the SafePal today. Really, secure your crypto. This is the hardware wallet that you want to have in your tool belt. Okay? Why should you own a SafePal hardware wallet? If that video didn't do it for you, well, own your money and take full control of your assets. You have no KYC or registration required. You can enjoy full access to unlimited decentralized applications. You can support 15 languages and 54 blockchains, and they're adding more continuously. It's trusted by customers from over 200 plus countries and regions, and I'm one of them. It's secure, it's protected wherever you go, okay? True random number generator, multiple layers of security sensors, and a self-destruct mechanism. It's 100% offline, air gap, sign-in mechanism. What does that mean? Truly cold storage. There's no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, no NFC, no USB connection. No one can get access to your hardware wallet. The only way to get in is to actually have the hardware wallet and your app to sign and scan. All right, you need those devices. If you want to get a little bit more into blockchain and you want to go interact with the blockchain, there's so many chains available, and there's so many dApps, decentralized applications, you can interact with. You can go yield farming, and really the SafePal is such a great wallet. I mean, I've been using this for over 2 years now, and I can say that I really have enjoyed my experience with and user experience with it. Honestly, I just bought 4 more for my kids and my cousins. A great Christmas present for this year. So don't forget, if you guys head on over to Cryptechology, you go ahead and click this link right here, SafePal crypto wallet, all right, and it'll bring you to my affiliate link page, all right. So I'll get credit for the sale. That's all it is, guys. You know what I mean? I just want to bring this information to you because this is a product that I'm using and I like it. Another product that I use and I like is Token Metrics. Okay, this is another AI machine learning tool. It really helps me with fundamental analysis and technical analysis as well. And if you're interested in getting a Token Metrics subscription, you can find detailed information under any of my videos. Okay, I just released this one. So if you go to the description section, you will see, all right, we have the SafePal link right here, and my Token Metrics link is not here on this one. I am so sorry, guys. Maybe I should show the Token Metrics link, but I was showing just the SafePal one. Now, on my old video, we're gonna have to do something about that. It's an older video. I know, this is when I was actually editing. I should probably go back to editing my videos. What do you guys think? Should I have that intro back and stuff? You guys think that's
5.8 dBi. So this is our 5.8 dBi antenna.
That's when I was helium mining.
All right. So you can tell the difference.
Anyway, so this one, oh my god, I had nothing in that video. Wow, I'm failing. I am failing at finding my link to show you guys. What about if I go to my about section? Is it in here? Can I put one here? Nope, but I got my SafePal one here. Boom. The link again. Why did I remove my Token Metrics? Oh man. Well, if you guys want access to this, you're gonna have to clearly go the hard route, because let me get my affiliate links, and I need to clearly add this again, maybe, or maybe not, or maybe I'll just use my access to show you guys everything. So like, you know, let's see what this chart is showing us right here. Litecoin is trading at 77.21, so this needs to get fixed. I forgot this price. I don't think so. Obviously, this price is not active. What is that? Like the close only? Is that what it is? When did it close? Did it close at 79? When did it get to 79? It got to 79.47. So what does it just show you? The high? It shows the high. Is that the high? 79.64. Where are they getting 79.47? All right, I don't know. That's kind of bothering me a little bit. I gotta go to the live prices. Maybe I just didn't refresh it. All right. Let's go back to the page. I'm clicking it again because this was just an open link. $78.07. All right. Well, the price is $78.89. Actually, I don't even know what the current price of Litecoin is right now, because TradingView. Let's see what TradingView says. Not. Let's go to. I like going to this one. This is telling me 77.47, 48. So different prices across the board. You never know what you're gonna get in crypto. Okay, so you gotta roll with the punches. All right, this is the daily. It's only the daily chart. Okay. So gotta roll with the roll, clearly. But Token Metrics, you disappointed me right now. I didn't, you know. But this tool is actually really helpful, though. It is. If you learn how to use it the right way. Clearly, they're still working on it. I mean, it's not like This is an end project because this has been added. You know, this trader and investor. I don't remember that being there before. These TM grades are cool on new projects, but the only thing is I don't. You know, this is all exchanges, so like I'll just go to just I don't want to use all exchanges. We're gonna go to wow, it's a lot of exchanges. All right, let's do Binance US, crypto.com, Coinbase, Kraken. Yeah, let's use those. So I just selected those 6 exchanges. Those are like, I guess I would say the 6 exchanges that I would follow. Wow, look at all these coins, guys. I don't even know any, like, what is this? I have no idea. I saw that somewhere, people pumping up these projects and shit. Optimism, alright, I do know that. Alright, sitting at 85%. Alright, they're bullish on optimism at this current level. Okay, trading signal, seems like everything is bullish. Everything is bullish. The way the market is. It's like, doesn't matter, whatever you're gonna get, it's gonna go up. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Matic. I mean, I do like Matic at these levels, so. Let's see. So let's look at just the Ethereum ecosystem. So these are all just, oh, I like that, you know. So now we have different ecosystems to select from. So this is everything that's on Ethereum and all those projects and coins and geez. So you can see, look, it's not always bullish. It's a lot that are just like, whoa, you know, I don't know what this is. All right, but they do take time in a lot of projects, okay, and figure out what and who's behind it. Bullish on the graph, I like that. You know, the graph is it provides analytics, indexing for the blockchain, for everyone, for all the chains. So it's like, this is super valuable. Absolutely super valuable. People don't know it. So that's probably, you know, not too many people know about the graph, but it is a really great project actually. Yeah. So what's token metrics? All right. So token metrics is a trading view indicator, was just added to it. The analytics platform, that's what we were just going over and looking at. As you can see, that's what this is here. I mean, it is pretty cool. Okay, there's a lot of data. All right. It may be overwhelming for a lot of people, but that's what my channel is going to be for. So I'm going to be focusing on all of this stuff even more for you guys. Really, you know, here's my link. I gotta actually like put these links up. You can send some of them to your homepage as well. I do have my business page. It's a referral link. This is my own homepage. Yeah, no, I haven't really been pushing it too heavy, but that will be changing going into New Year because I need to test it out. I really need to test it out before I start, you know, shelling this to people and stuff, because I want to make sure it's a really good tool. And I've been using it, and I do like it. I do like it. I really do. But we're gonna make this. We're gonna make this a little bit more regular. We're gonna go over charts okay, like I just did. We're gonna go over charts, and then we're gonna go over token metrics, and then we're gonna go over SafePal. We're just gonna do that over and over again, and then we'll just check out, you know, what's going on in Cointelegraph. I like Cointelegraph too, as well, for news. If their page comes up. All right, I have a lot. This is where I need. This is my home page. I need to add the token metrics to this, because if you come here, click on any one of these, futureself.mycanva.site. I gotta put this. It should be in the front of my channel too, actually. So, actually, I think it's one of these. Let's see. What happens when I click on a diamond? Oh, this brings you to my blockchain portfolio. Okay, so that is not it. What's this one? Here we go. This will bring you to it. So it's the second one in, okay? And if you want another link to SafePal, if you couldn't tell, it's right here. Click on it. Click on any of these pictures. Okay, it will bring you straight to the hardware affiliate site. Token metrics to this too. But for now, just if you want this type of data to help with your trading and investing, you know, I'm not a professional. This is just really for educational, entertainment purposes only. But I am part of token metrics. Part of the life, you know. So like, I have access to this data, and I'm just gonna share it with you guys. So I know I need to do that better, and that's what I'm gonna start doing. All right, because you guys have a lot of things to do as well, and I've been using my YouTube channel as more like as a vlog and journaling, but not really making content for viewers per se. Just kind of doing it for myself, and then like if anyone's interested in watching, like they could learn whatever that I was involved in. But I guess it's gotten to the point where, you know, I have access to certain information that could be useful for the community, and anyone that's new coming in, you know, kind of just to, you know, show the path of like, these are the areas that I focused on. This is what helps me with trading and investing, or long-term investing. These are the type of data analytics I'm looking at when I'm looking at the blockchain. Oh, I forgot Masari as well. Masari is another analytical tool that I have access to, that I use. Well, what do you mean go pro? I should have already been pro. I'll handle that. I might be logged into the other one.